Hi, my name is John Smith, and I'm here to share my incredible experience with EZ Battery Reconditioning. Before discovering this product, I faced a big problem. The high cost of new batteries was really weighing down my family budget. As a father of two, I'm always worried about saving money, and every time a battery died, I felt frustrated having to buy another. And the waste? That bothered me even more. I just couldn't keep throwing away batteries that could be reused. I started wondering if there was a way to recondition these batteries and save money at the same time. That's when I found EZ Battery Reconditioning. At first, I was skeptical about whether it would actually work, but after reading about the method and seeing testimonials from others, I decided to give it a shot. The agitation of being stuck with those expenses and feeling like there was no practical solution was a big motivator for me to dive into EZ Battery Reconditioning. With the course, I discovered an easy-to-follow system that doesn't require any prior technical knowledge. The step-by-step guides are super simple and filled with pictures that make the whole process really clear. And the best part? After just a few hours of practice, I was able to recondition several batteries. From power tool batteries to car batteries, I was saving money while helping the environment at the same time. The feeling of being able to bring my batteries back to life was indescribable. If you're also feeling frustrated with the cost of new batteries and the waste, I definitely recommend giving EZ Battery Reconditioning a try. It's a practical and effective solution that's worth every penny. Don't waste any more time and money on disposable batteries. Click the link below to start your reconditioning journey right now. With EZ Battery Reconditioning, you won't just find a way to save money. You'll also gain the satisfaction of learning a valuable new skill. Don't wait any longer. Make a difference in your life and your wallet today.